how to create shopping label on your Shopify. Now to do this, first open up your Shopify, and then on your initial page of your Shopify, you will see on Add Apps on the App section. Click on Add Apps. After you click on Add Apps, scroll down till you find the option to go to Shopify App Store. Now this will redirect you to another page. Now here you are at the App Store. Now search for shipping labels. So now different shipping labels will open up. The one we want is this, after ship shipping plus labels. Now click on install, and then again install. Now after you've installed your shipping label, what you need to do is you need to put in your details here. After you put in your details, you need to go to start free trial. Now let me just put in my details. Now after you put in your details, this page will open up that shows you more steps that you need to follow. Now follow more of the steps. After you follow through all of the steps, your label will be generated and you'll be good to go. So that is how you generate a shipping label on your Shopify. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and then don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.